note saving. Action. I think action. Action. Okay. I actually put the notes on Schoolagi if you need it. So here we go. I hope that this is something that you could do right now correctly or with just a little refresher. I hope this is not going to take too much. So the direction would be graph, and it's going to be x plus 3, x minus 4 squared, and x cubed. All right, although this stuff is weird and new and crazy like that, there's only 5 or 6 things. Now it's weird and crazy and things like that. First thing I'm going to look out is where does the graph end up, the end behavior. Those of you who've been here, it's when we stood up and raised our hands in the air or did other little wiggly things with our arm. There's a 1 here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6 is even. It's going to go up. Excellent. So we don't know exactly where it goes up, but they will go up and up. They will go up and up. And then the zeros, we have learned this often, and we have repeated teaching this and repeated learning this. Inside, we're going to do the opposite. So this dot is not going to be at 3. It's going to be at -3. This one will be at. And I've only mentioned this a time or two, but I'll do it. That x is really the same as x plus 0 or x minus 0. It's just not a moving. All right, so we got 1 at 0. All right, there's 3 things that happen. One of them zips on through, one of them bumps and runs away, and one goes through with a wiggle. I know that's weird, but it's only 3 things. So maybe we can get the 3. And the one is going to do what? Zip on through. The 2, it's going to bump and run away, and the 3rd one is going to. All right, so I'm going to now plan what I'm going to do. -4. I'm sorry, at -3, opposite, it's going to zip on through. Okay, good thing that I'm planning. Plan zip on through. At 0, it's going to go through with a wiggle, and then at +4, it's going to bump and run away. All right, I got my plan. Go through with a wiggle, bump and run away. There we go. Just curious, how many could probably have done something pretty good already? Cool, and with a little review, probably going to be okay on that. All right. So you're going to be asked to do that. All right, so that's the one thing. Then we're going to take this a slight step further, and you're going to have to factor before you get to that step. So we might have one who has a name of g of x, and feel free to name your child g of x if you'd like. All right, that'd be fun. They would enjoy that. Maybe not. And let's see, it is x squared minus 9 and x squared plus x plus 2. Okay, we're going to factor before anything really happens. And hey, that's a square minus a square. And I graded some of 3rd hours yesterday, and a lot of people were getting that one right. Square minus square is special. It's x plus 3 and x minus 3. I made one so easy that I'm just going to do it. Multiplies to be 2, adds to be 3, 2 and 1. Hey, we're factored. All right. 1, 1, 1, 1. It's just going to be like zip, 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 zip. It'll be zip. Oh, whoa, are we zipping? We're zipping. Is it Neptune? Why? See if you can make this as a nice hat for Kirby. Somehow. He can be wearing Neptune. Zip, 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 zip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you know, if this we're recording, if that student is in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I call it a thumb war. The student who comes in here and likes to do thumb wars. All right. Thumb wars are not real wars. No. My, wouldn't our world be safer if a country invades a country and has to do a thumb war? That could be your future, could be better. Yes. -3, +3, -1, -2. The degree is 4. Up, 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 up. Make your plan. It's up, up. Your plan's going to zip, 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 zip. Zip, 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 zip. There we go. Coupings, yeah. All right. I think we're going to be okay. I think it's just there's so much stuff. There's just so much stuff. That's the problem. Okay. Just a real quick reminder of how to synthetically divide. A reminder of how to do synthetic division. Say, do you give up? Yeah. Drop it. Times it. Add it. Times it. Add it. Times it. Add it. If this was the third power, the answer would be the second power. All right. So that is some refresher on the graphs. And because my recordings can only go 15 minutes, I'm going to stop this one.